Hello and welcome back to our Understanding Mangrove series. I'm Zetty and today we are talking about Blade. Blade is an industrial maintenance cleaner concentrate which is ideal for cutting through grease, grime, oil and dirt on walls and floors. It is perfect for industrial, engineering and plant cleaning applications, as well as being suitable for general janitorial use too. Due to the controlled foam within this formulation, it is good for using when scrubbing, mopping, spray cleaning, as well as pressure washing too. When using Blade, we recommend that you wear glasses and gloves, and this is because Blade is a chemical concentrate. You will need to dilute Blade to your specific requirement. Now let's see how Blade is used. To create a 750ml trigger spray of Blade, firstly fill up your trigger spray bottle with water. Then dispense 1 pump of Blade into the trigger spray bottle. And reattach your trigger head. Once this is secure, ensure that you rotate it twice to mix it, and this is now ready to use. Dilute at 1 part to 100 parts water for light duty cleaning or as a damp mopping solution. Simply fill up a bucket with 5 litres of water and dispense 1 pump of Blade into the water. This will now be ready for mopping. To use for pressure washing applications, dilute Blade at a ratio of 1 part Blade to 50 parts hot or cold water. When using it for heavy duty grease, grime, oil and wax removal, dilute this product 1 part Blade to 10 parts hot water. This product is suitable for use on aluminium, but ensure that you are diluting it at least 1 to 10 parts or above. Blade comes in a 5 litre container and the reorder code for this product is GS124. Please remember that you can access further resources about this product online, or you can reach out to the team with specific cleaning questions. Thank you.